Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to upload a profile picture on Flipboard. Also I wonder why you want to know how to upload a profile picture on Flipboard. Maybe because you haven't uploaded any profile picture since you have created your account on it and now you want to upload a one. Or maybe you have seen someone else's profile picture and really inspired you to upload yours. Or maybe there's a picture that you have clicked and it was really nice so you just want to upload it as a profile picture. Or there could be any other reason for you to upload a profile picture on Flipboard. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Flipboard app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the Flipboard to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options all over the screen as you can see. So from all these options, the left one is a home, the second one is for the following, and the third one is for all the explore things. From the fourth you can get the alert, and the last one is your profile. So we have to get there. Once you get there, you will see your profile. It has your name, your username, your profile picture, and profile icon. If you have uploaded a profile picture, then instead of profile icon you will see your profile picture, but as we don't have any profile picture yet, so that's why we have this icon, which is a profile icon. So we will see how we can upload a profile picture on it. To upload a profile picture, what you have to do is that you just have to simply tap on the profile icon so that after we can easily upload a profile picture on it. Once you click on it, on the top you will see the title Flipboard account, and it has all the options through which you can edit them and can customize according to your preferences. So here we have this profile icon. It also has a pencil icon, and that means we can upload a new one through this option. So for that, just simply tap on it and there you will see two options. The first option says take photo and the second one says choose from library. So if you want to click a picture at the moment from your mobile phone camera, then you have to select the first option. But if you have a picture that is in your mobile phone gallery, then you have to select the second option where mobile phone gallery will open, and from there you can select any kind of picture of your choice. So right now I'm going with the second option, which mobile photo gallery will open, and from there I'll select a picture of the choice. Here I have selected this picture. Now what you could do with that picture is that you can make it size bigger, can select a specific part from the picture. Once you're done choosing the specific part or cropping your picture, you have to click on choose this option and it will be uploaded on your profile. But right now it is not saved. To save it, what you have to do is that you have to click on this option, which is save. This one, once you click on it, will just take a while. After that it will upload a profile picture on your profile. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a profile picture on Flipboard. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.